It always amazes me what you can do with an ESP8266. These Wi-Fi modules are so cheap, and even though there's newer ones around, these older ones, the simple ESP01s, are still so much you can do. In fact, right now I have a web server running on there with web sockets, and I've got a interesting demo set up where I'm going to move a slider on my phone and move the servo motor. But what's also interesting about this is I have the ESP in access point mode, and then I connected my phone directly to the ESP. So just to show that real quick, you can see my Wi-Fi network is called Servo. That's the name of the ESP's or the SSID of the network it broadcasts. All right, I'm going to move this slider back and forth, and it will send updates directly to the ESP using WebSockets, so it's really fast. So keep in mind that there's no router in going on here. It doesn't depend on having internet connection to use this. In fact, I joke around that this would work in Antarctica. It really would, as long as you had, a battery out there to power it. But you don't need to be in a home Wi-Fi network. Even though it's Wi-Fi, it's just the ESP is set up as an access point, and so the phone is linked directly to the ESP. Well, thank you for watching.